Hello everyone, my name is Ishani and in this video I will be telling you about the skeletal system, that too for class 5. So let's start learning. Now, before we start learning about skeletal system, let's see how a system is formed. First, cells join together. When cells are joined together, they form tissues. When tissues combine together, they form organs. When organs function together, means when organs work together, they form organ systems. In this video, we are going to be studying about the skeletal system. So, the skeletal system is a system that supports the framework of our body and it gives a particular and definite shape to our body. Now, the skeletal system supports our body and the framework of our body. So, it just supports the framework of our body. And now I will tell you the main parts that the human skeleton consists of. So it consists of the skull, the backbone, the rib cage, and two pairs of limbs. Okay, two pairs of limbs. So now let's look at the functions of the skeletal system. Now, the functions of the skeletal system are: it provides structural support to our body. It also protects the delicate internal organs such as heart and lungs. Now, movement. It helps in the movement of different parts of body. Because of the skeletal system, we are able to move different parts of the body. The bones of skeletal system store minerals like calcium and phosphorus. So if you want your bones to get strong, please do include calcium in your diet. Now, blood cell production. Bone marrow in our skeletal system helps in the production of red blood cells. Now we will start by learning about the skull. So, the skull is a hollow round structure which is present in our head. Now, the skull also protects the brain and it gives shape to our face. The skull gives shape to our face. It also supports our teeth of upper and lower jaws. The skull The skull is made up of 22 bones, which are 14 bones from the face and 8 bones from the skull. Now let's learn about the backbone. The backbone is present on the most extreme. It is present on the most extreme back of our body. The backbone is also known as the spine, or you can also call it the vertebral column. Now, the backbone is made up of 33 small bones which are called vertebra. And friends, did you know that the backbone encloses and it protects the delicate spinal cord? This is the function of the backbone. Now, rib cage. The bony cage which is present in our chest region is called the rib cage. And the rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of thin curved bones called ribs. Okay, not 12 bones, 12 pairs of thin curved bones called ribs. So here you can see the ribs, these curved bones right over here, which you can see. And it also protects the delicate internal organs such as heart and lungs. And the long, you must be seeing that this long flat bone present in the center of chest, what is this called? It's called the sternum. Now we will learn about the limbs. Human beings have four limbs, which include a pair of forelimbs called arms and a pair of lower limbs called legs. First of all, let's start by learning about the forelimbs. So, the forelimbs help us in lifting various objects, and the upper part of arm, as you can see here, contains a single bone called humerus. Lower part of arm contains two bones, and the bones of upper arm and lower arm join at our elbow, which is right over here. Now we have here lower limbs. The upper part of leg contains the largest bone, which is also known as femur. Femur is also known as the thigh bone, as you can see right over here. And the lower part of leg also contains two bones. The bones of upper arm and upper leg and lower leg join at our knee. So now you're clear with that. Now let's learn about griddles. So, griddles are the ring-like structures present in our body. Hip griddle. Three bones are fused together to make one single bone. So, in the hip griddle, three bones are fused together to make a single bone. Okay. Now, I will teach you about the shoulder griddle. Okay, so in the shoulder griddle, it is made up of shoulder blade and collarbone, as you can see here. So now I hope you must be clear with the skeletal system. Now I'll see you in my next video.